Yawning is what's called a calming signal in dogs. She's indicating that I feel stress. But just like us, there's good stress and bad stress. There's like learning stress, things that just put a little mental pressure on us. But then there's bad stress, like a strange human coming to touch me, you know, and things like that. So it's just a calming signal. So it's not good and it's not bad. It's just she's sharing. And it's their way to try to relieve a little tension. So licking their lips is also the same in the same family. And they're a really hard shake off, the same thing. The yawning is the most common, and people all the time think, oh my God, we're just tired. You know, they're feeling a little pressure.